Let us talk today on my new and long-term topic from India, from idea or design to growth, from Center for Solutions through amendment of joint leaderships with concurrent engineering. The new mantra to energize entrepreneurs, new and existing, from our Center for Solutions of Engineer Ramalingam, design engineer and management consultant. COVID-19 and economic recovery. Nature has created the earth and its vast resources, including humanity. Mankind has only created the global village of today, including COVID-19. Mankind has the cumulative talents of driving away the giant killer called COVID-19. Just entered the second year on 17th November 2020. Definitely nature or religions have not created COVID-19. The full responsibility lies with mankind only, which has the enormous potential to create dangerous weapons like atom bombs as well as COVID-19. There is no special session of UNO on this World War III called COVID-19. WHO is only waging a lonely war against COVID-19, taking up our MK Gandhi's Ahimsa as a weapon. With the help of silent millions and hundreds of corporates, thousands of scientists for development of vaccines. There seems to be a little bit of light from the other end of the tunnels, giving hope of survival of the left out millions of human population. To my knowledge, there seems to be no casualty on living creations with less than six senses. A blessing in disguise indeed. COVID-19 and economic recovery. Nature has created the earth and its vast resources, including humanity. Mankind has only created the global village of today, including COVID-19. Mankind has the cumulative talents of driving away the giant killer called COVID-19. Just entered the second year on 17th November 2020. Definitely nature or religions have not created COVID-19. The full responsibility lies with mankind only, which has the enormous potential to create dangerous weapons like atom bombs as well as COVID-19. There is no special session of UNO on this World War III called COVID-19. WHO is only waging a lonely war against COVID-19, taking up our MK Gandhi's Ahimsa as a weapon. With the help of silent millions and hundreds of corporates, thousands of scientists for development of vaccines. There seems to be a little bit of light from the other end of the tunnels, giving hope of survival of the left out millions of human population. To my knowledge, there seems to be no casualty on living creations with less than six senses. A blessing in disguise indeed. In the global village, mankind continues to be ruling the world and not religions or witchcrafts. Yes, under this great sun, mankind has the potential to convert all possible, all impossible as possible through science and technology, with judicial exploitation of its six senses added with the seventh sense called software, that too created by mankind only. We have to be confident to win this third world war against the common enemy, COVID-19. No specific theory of economics with towering personalities or management gurus are in the picture on how to manage this World War III, like WTA. Each country allows the local government and the user public to devise means to face the situation with not much of panics. It seems people have no other option but to be friendly with COVID-19, and commerce is now in self-adjustment mode through more of e-commerce, e-educations, and e-money, and work from home and e-seminars, etc., utilizing Internet of Things. By virtue of my wide experience in various types of industries as well as my own auto ancillary, and a promoter of an unique DFM called Taoist DFM. DFM means Design for Manufacturability. I am coming forward to strongly recommend to the existing as well as new entrepreneurs a golden blend between concurrent engineering and joint leadership to face the challenges and utilize the opportunities in tune with the changing times to move ahead towards a real inclusive growth in our country. Limited partnerships plus concurrent engineering. Some of you might have seen my e-presentations on concurrent engineering with my own contributions of developing and proving a unique rotary table press. I am glad to do my next e-presentation in my video series for practical blending of leadership patterns from the days of Buddha to the days of Joe Biden and Kamala Harris. I have already congratulated this team while counting was going on in USA. News are in the air on partnerships in US government itself between presidentship and vice presidentship. In this case, a joint leadership between young, let's say male, and yin, female. Taoism is interpreted as follows by a Taoist monk. The 30 spokes join in one hub. In its emptiness, there is the function of a vehicle. Mix clay to create a container. In its emptiness, there is the function of a container. Cut to open the doors and windows to create a room. In its emptiness, there is the function of a room. Therefore, that which creates is used to create benefit. That which is empty is used to create functionality. Under a joint leadership, there is a natural synergy between ideas and actions, between theory and practices, between yang and yin. I strongly recommend joint leadership to get the best results of synergization between theory and practice of under any domain. Synergy between hardware and software, synergy between design and manufacturability, synergy between marketing and manufacture, synergy between management and labor, synergy between maintainability and sustainability, synergy between market and innovation, synergy between entrepreneurship and entrepreneurship, and practices with Internet of Things. Under Taoism, I have defined the Taoist DFM as 64 modules spokes join in one hub Taoist DFM. In its emptiness, the design of the young, there is function of manufacturability or the yin. That which exists is a manufactured product which is used to create benefits. That which is empty, the design, is used to create product functionality. Let us bring a change. Let our Center for Solutions be the catalyst for change. Let entrepreneurs bring a change without any hardships, but a slow transformation to be alive to 24 by 7, the basic mode for today and tomorrow. Let us synergize between theory and practice, same thing I am repeating. Let us synergize between man and woman for management. Let us continue to become a golden blend of clicks and bricks. Let us bring the co-creations and co-working. Let us move from simply mechanical way of doing things to concurrently reaching our destinations. Let us convert our bottlenecks in flow to accumulators for Pro through concurrent engineering. Simple three domains for management: quality, cost, and delivery. And three types of joint leaderships. First, the two members team belonging to same genders. Alternative one, a man and woman. Alternative two, a man and wife.